In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add privacy policy in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a dedicated privacy policy page added to your site with clean formatting and a clear title in your navigation. Start by signing into your Squarespace account. From the account area, open your site's dashboard. If you see a general dashboard first, that's fine. Just head into your website by selecting Go to Website, then choose Website to enter the site editor. On the left-hand side, open Pages. This is where all of your site's navigation and hidden pages live. In the Pages panel, look for the Not Linked section. This area is perfect for creating new pages without immediately adding them to your public menu. Hover over Not Linked and click the plus icon to add a page. When Squarespace asks what to add, choose Add Blank, then select Page. A new page will appear in your list, typically labeled something like New Page. We'll rename it later. Open that new page and click Edit to start building the content. You'll see a blank canvas. Click Add Section and choose a blank section again. This gives you full control over the layout without any preset elements. Inside the new section, click Add Block. From the block library, choose Text. A text editor block appears on your page. This is where your privacy policy content will live. Paste your privacy policy directly into that text block. If your text looks a bit tight against the edges, you can resize the block by dragging its handles to create a comfortable reading width. A narrower column often improves readability for long legal text. With the text in place, open the text formatting options, usually labeled Text. Here you can apply headings to major sections, adjust paragraph styles, and ensure links within your policy are clear and accessible. Good structure matters. Use headings for sections like data collection, cookies, and contact information so visitors can scan quickly. Avoid over-formatting. Clean, consistent typography is best for legal pages. When you're happy with the content and formatting, click Save to preserve your changes. Then exit the editor to return to the Pages panel. Now let's make the page easy to find. In the Pages panel, locate your new page under Not Linked. Drag it into your main navigation so it appears in your site's top menu. This is a common place visitors expect to find your policy, and it can also help with compliance by making the page readily accessible. Next, open the page's settings. Update the page title to Privacy Policy. This title typically appears at the top of the page or in browser tabs depending on your template. Then set the navigation title to Privacy Policy as well so the menu label is consistent and clear. Save your settings. That's it. The page is live and placed where visitors can easily find it. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep the content accurate and up to date with your current data practices. If you change how you collect or process information, revisit this page and paste in the revised text, then save. For readability, aim for short paragraphs and clear section headings. If your policy includes links to third-party services or to your terms of service, double-check that those links work properly. And if you operate across different regions with specific regulatory requirements, consider consulting a professional to ensure your policy meets the relevant standards. You've just created a dedicated privacy policy page from scratch, added the content, saved your work, and placed it into your site's main navigation with clear titles. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to refine the formatting or adjust the layout to match your design.